First, I'd like to show you our home improvement contractor's permit. We operate under Neffs Safe Lock Security Incorporated and also Neffs Integrated Security. Here's our phone number, 717-392-633. Our address, 1039 North Christian Street, Lancaster, PA. We also have a fleet of trucks, and you can see we clearly have Neffs Safe Lock and Security, Locksmith all over our trucks. We have a Comcast bill, 1039 North Christian Street, and again, depending on the billing, they sometimes don't put the whole name, but this is Neffs Safe and Lock, and again, it's 1039 North Christian Street. And if you look at another bill, which is our UGI, our gas bill, and you'll notice we have a mailing address, which is 1039 North Christian. Our shop address is 1039 North Christian Street, Lancaster, PA. And then we have a mailing address at 230 Polo, Wrightsville. Do not confuse the two, but our shop is definitely 1039 North Christian Street. On our Google, if you put in 1039 North Christian Street, you will clearly see our building, Neffs Safe Lock and Security. And if you go to our website, which is lock.com, you will also see our picture of our building. And again, this is our address, 1039 North Christian Street. So with that, I would like to show you.
This is my scene of my shop across from the train station. That was the intersection I showed you earlier, North Christian and McGovernville Pike. And if you notice, we are across the street of my shop. And if you notice, I will walk towards it, and you notice it says Neffs Safe and Lock. So we will walk across the street. I've been in business for almost 50 years. And you can see it's Neffs Safe and Lock on top of the building. And you can see I also operate under Neffs Integrated Security. Right here it says it right on my door. I've been in business for 49 years. We do transponder keys. These are our hours, just like I stated on my website. And member of Aloha. And as you notice, the door is now locked. I will take my key, insert the key into the lock, turn it, and I will now enter my shop. Okay, we are now in our shop. This is the showroom, as you can see, and I will turn on the light, give you a better view. And there you have it. You see, this is our counter. Keys in the back. This is our display. We do access control. Showing you in my showroom. We sell keys, safes, you name it. Like I stated, we've been in business a long time, 49 years. And there are my diplomas. And you can see my name. I am the owner of this company. And I'll show you our key machines. Turn my lights on. And there you have it. These are our key machines. You can see we are been in this business a long time. I have a 3,300 square foot building. Clean room, we do electronics back there and so forth and so on. So there you go.